Understanding R2 certification standards and how they affect electronics recycling. While electronics recycling is good for the planet overall, the process can create dangerous environmental pollutants. The industry has created a protocol called the R2 standard, laying out the proper procedures for recycling electronics and protecting both environment and worker health and safety. R2 recycling uses R2 certified partners. These partners provide safe and effective disposal of potentially hazardous materials. The R2 standard. The standard allows for a common set of safety measures, documentation requirements, and processes for business repairing or recycling used electronics. Here are the 10 steps towards receiving R2 certification. Number 1. Scope. In order to be certified, companies must have their operations audited for safety and efficiency. Number 2. Hierarchy of responsible management strategies. The certified order of priority for management follows the steps of reusing, recovering materials, and disposing of the materials. Number 3. EH&S Management System. The Environmental Health and Safety Management System requires that companies adhere to the ISO 14001 Environmental Standard and the ISO 45001 Health and Safety Standard. Number 4. Legal and other requirements. The compliance plan should also meet other legal requirements. Child labor and forced labor are prohibited. Prison labor is permitted, but it must be voluntary, compensated, and create marketable skills that the prisoner can use after their release. Number 5. Tracking throughout. All materials coming in and out of an R2 certified facility must be tracked. Inventory levels also need to be tracked to prove that they are below the legal limit. Number 6. Sorting, categorization, and processing. The standard covers how materials must be sorted, categorized, and processed. It is preferred that companies use a standard set of categories for items that have been recycled. Number 7. Data security. Facilities need to draw up a process for destroying data on applicable electronic equipment, whether it is completed at the R2 certified facility or at a downstream vendor. Number 8. Focus materials. Focus materials must be managed on-site or at downstream facilities. These materials include those which have special health, safety, or environmental concerns. Number 9. Facility requirements. Processes need to be completed indoors. The area must be protected from weather, legally compliant, and secured. Number 10. Transport. Items must be packed appropriately for transport considering their intended use and any health and safety risks that are connected to exposure to these items. Working with certified partners. R2 Recycling works with certified partners to take care of its waste products. R2 certification is key when creating a recycling process that works for all members of the community.